One shot to your heart without breaking your skin. No one has the power to hurt you like you can. Kept it inside, didn't tell no one else. Didn't even wanna admit it to yourself. And now your chest burns and your back aches from 15 years of holding the pain. And now you only have yourself to blame. You continue to live this way. Get it together, you wanna heal your body. You have to heal your heart. Whatsoever you sow, you will reap. Get it together. You can fly, fly. Dark future ahead of me, that's what they say. Been starving if I ate all the lies they fed. 'Cause I've been redeemed from your anguish and pain. A miracle child, I'm floating on a cloud. 'Cause the words that come from your mouth, you're the first to hear. Speak words of beauty and you will be there. No matter what anybody says, what matters most is what you think of yourself. Get it together, heal your body. You have to heal your heart. Whatsoever you sow, you will reap. Get it together. The choice is yours, no matter what it is. To choose life is to choose to forgive. You don't have to try to hurt him and break his pride. To shake that weight off and you'll be ready to fly. One shot to your heart without breaking your skin. No one has the power to hurt you like your friends. Thought it never changed, but this time moved on. An ugly duckling grew up to be a swan. And now your chest burns and your back aches. Because now the years are showing up on your face. And you'll never be happy and you'll never be whole until you see the beauty in growing old. You wanna heal your body. You have to heal your heart. Whatsoever you sow, you will reap. Get it together.